guys, I'm doing a little meal prep here. Well, I just got back from the grocery store, so I'm putting some groceries away. I'm gonna get rid of these old buns. Out with the old, in with the new, you know what they say. But today is Saturday, and I am cooking dinner today and get ready to prep. The kids went kayaking, so oh Lord, pray for their safety. I just, you know how it is being a mother. You know, your kids go places, and it's just like I have prayed and prayed and prayed and prayed and prayed in Jesus' name that they come home safe and sound. You worry. I'm telling you, you worry. I worry. I don't care how old my kids are. My oldest one's in his 30s. I don't care. They're my kids. They're my children. They're my life. They're my heart, my soul, my blood, the oxygen that runs through me. So I'm just praying for their safety, that they return safe and sound. So. And I hope they have a good time, but God, I'm worried my butt off over them. But today I'm doing something simple for dinner. I wanted something simple, tasty, and delicious. This is my dinner. No, I get a little beer, might drink a few beers tonight, so why not? But I'm gonna do some oven roasted potatoes. I'm gonna probably do some macaroni and cheese, corn on the cob. I've got a chicken that I'm gonna do recipe that I kind of stumbled onto. It is absolutely phenomenal. I made it with my chicken and rice. That video is already posted. If you don't make the chicken and rice, if you just make the chicken, it is outstanding. Both of them together are amazing. But today I'm just going to make the chicken because I'm going to make that with everything else I'm going to make. I'm not feeling a bit guilty because I bought deli baked beans. I like those baked beans. I'm not cooking all that too, so I don't know why it's dark in here. As you hear my dogs, they're panting and panting and panting. Stop it, Zeus. But that's what's going on today, so I'm gonna get a little prepping done before it's time to cook. What I'm gonna do is just kind of cube these up into small cubes. My husband likes them smaller. You know, he is such a big man, and it just cracks me up how he likes everything just like little tiny bite sizes of things. And me, I'm like, the bigger the better, you know what I'm saying? All right, got my potatoes all chopped up. Then what I like to do with these is I like to put a little bit of olive oil on them. I see I got a little bit of garlic there. I got 1 clove of garlic back there. Just cut up. Just roughly chopped, minced, whatever. I'd like to put a little bit of olive oil on them. The dogs are wanting to go outside because their daddy is out there mowing the grass, and they're not going out there. Even though I've got the garlic, fresh garlic in there, I'm also going to use a little bit of garlic powder. I really like to use my signature blend seasoning on these, but I haven't made any up lately. I am totally out. So I think I'm out. Am I out? I'm out. I'm out. That was garlic powder. We're going to use a little bit of onion salt. Onion salt gives potatoes a delicious flavor. You guys are not going out there. It's too hot to be running around acting like that. And we're going to put some pepper, of course. I got my oven preheated to about 375. And then I'm going to put some butter in these as well. Where'd my knife go? I just put a couple pats of butter in there. Look at that. I just mashed that all to pieces. I just put a few pats of butter in there. You know, a few, like 5 or 6. And then once they start heating up and the butter melts, I just kind of, I stir them around with a spoon. I like the butter and the olive oil together. It is a match made in heaven for some things, you know, and this is one of them. You are not going out there. It is hot. You're running around like a fool. Got the grand dog over here. Like I said, they all went kayaking or canoeing or whatever they're doing. And again, just pray for their safety. Got my tea here, my delicious homemade tea. Now, you do how you do you, but this is what I do. I just take them and toss them around, just like that. Your hands are your best utensil. Look, throw my garlic everywhere. And you know what else I'm going to put in here? I should have put it in here before I got my hands all yucky. Let me rinse them off. I also like to put, I like fresh, listen at Zeus. He's hollering for his cap off. I like to put a little bit of fresh rosemary in them, but I don't have any fresh. Actually, I just threw it out. So I'm going to use a little bit of the dried, not a whole lot. I like to crunch them between my fingers because I kind of like to break them up a little bit. Plus, that releases the flavors. And these are going to be fantastic. Trust me. Trust and believe. I'm just going to stir those together like that. Just kind of toss them. I'm going to put some foil over these and let them cook, bake until they start getting tender. And then I'm going to take the foil off of them. And then I'm going to let them brown up nicely. I mean, they won't get super brown. Depends on how long you leave the foil off. But my main goal is to make sure that they're seasoned to perfection, which they are, and that they're nice and fork tender. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Alright, so this is what I got going on. Look at my chicken. Look how good that looks. And that is coated in grated Parmesan cheese. And then I got my nice seasoning right there. That's got the soul seasoning, the garlic, the onion, all kinds of goodies. And back here I've got some corn on the cob, getting ready to go with about a half a stick of butter in there. I'm making some shells and cheese. And then this is my pan that I'm going to fry my chicken in. Alright, a little fun time with the dogs. I got some ice out here because they're running around acting like fools. I hope that I'm not touching the microphone. What y'all think about that? The husband's out there mowing the grass. Man, look how pretty my yard is. Well, usually it's pretty. Hubby's out there mowing the grass. He's got the grass all nice and mowed. I'm sitting on my porch swing. Got my potatoes in the oven. Look at my pretty ferns that my husband got me for Mother's Day. I don't know if you can see them, but look, that's the dog's pool out there. But they're already wet because they've already been sprayed. Look at you guys. Look at you guys. Look at that. What you got, Zeus? They're wore out already. I think it's nap time for them anyway. Maybe I can get me a nap in too. See the hubby way out there? Can you see? Alright, we're finishing this video off with a nice pan of homemade brownies. I was going to vlog this for you, film this recipe, but it's getting a little late and I wanted to make them. But I will definitely give you the recipe. I will do a recipe video for you. We're going to cut into these once they cool. You know, I love you guys so very much. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on